Hello and thank you for your purchase of an iRest massage chair from American Furniture Warehouse. We wanted to take this opportunity to go over a couple of features that may not be super obvious right out of the box. We're going to start with this model here. So not only initially out of the box, but over time things can bunch up. We want to make sure this piece here is not pulled tight, but rather folded to align properly with its Velcro. Once this piece is in place, your seat cushion will now be able to attach securely. If you decided to go with this model here, not only does it have Bluetooth and some extra pockets, but your head pillow will double and triple as a back pillow and lower back pillow depending on the intensity you want of your massage. So if you like a firm massage, great, but if it seems to be a bit intense for you, it's simple to just fold it out once. But if the lower back seems to be a little bit awkward as well, you just have to pull it down. In the down position, this will give you a softer massage throughout your entire back. And if it's been a rough day and you want a more firm massage, this easily folds back up to be just your head pillow. Thank you for your time, and if you do have any questions or concerns, please give us a call or hit us up on any of our social media outlets. Enjoy your infinite comfort possibilities with any of our iRest massage chairs.